Even with the damage, I'm still a second a lap faster than P5, but P3 is catching up. I can't tell what, like, if my damage is slowing me down or not, because it feels like I get loads of understeer in the corners. Yeah, I'm not really losing much to the guys behind. Oh, I really hope this race gets exciting at some point, because it's literally just been me driving around for the last 20 minutes. There was like some really cool battles at the start when it was raining, and now we've all thinned out a bit. I wonder if we can go to dries now. There's like a proper dry line. Oh, the lead is pitting for dries. Yeah, they're pitting for dries, or he died. Oh my gosh, this is sketchy offline. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay, the strategy worked. Even with my repairs I had to take, I've still caught up to the guy who stayed out. Oh, it's raining. It's not raining. Like raining. Oh, it's not even raining, it's just the spray from the guy ahead. Now how do I overtake this guy? Because I have to go onto the wet line to overtake him. And I'm on dries. Oh my gosh, I went deep trying to overtake him. Okay, we can't overtake in this track right now. Oh, he just spun. I overtook him, went deep, and then next corner he just flies off the track. Oh, and there are 2 GT3s who have died. Now he's about to rejoin in front of me. Oh my gosh, hang on.
What?
Oh my gosh, I just overtook a GT3 and he just died. Oh my gosh, there are loads of cars exiting the pit lanes on cold dries in the wet. Okay, we're P4 now. Oh, I think P3 is still on wets because I just caught out like 3 seconds in sector 1. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's done 25 laps on wet tyres on a semi-dry track, so they've got to be kicking. Oh, and he's got deep. Okay, back up into P3 now.
For some reason.
Oh my word.
Oh, we can't hear you.
Okay, I think it should be fine now.
Okay, can you
You
hear
guys
us?
hear me?
No, we can't hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you guys now.
When this guy behind us tries to overtake, I'm just going to let him go because there's no point in risking it. He's so inconsistent as well, he keeps sending it on me and then like spinning us. Yeah, I want none of that. Yeah, look, watch him here. There you go.
What is he doing?
Don't tell us anything. Kevin, I have 36 minutes of fuel left. Yeah, let's just let this guy by. He's going to do the same thing this lap, watch. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
That guy's dead.
Yeah, he's in the wall.
That's what I'm hoping will happen to some of the guys ahead.
This is gonna be fun. But at least you get to avoid them.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is sketchy. It's still wet in the pit lane. Okay, just be really careful on pit exit.
Okay. Oh no.
Oh, look out, look out, look out. Yeah, left, left, left. Nice.
Not beating it a slap.
Okay, I have like no grip until you get onto the gravel.
Oh,
no! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Wait. Yeah, yeah, go. Look out, look out, look out. Go to the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah, it's fine.
I somehow didn't get an incident point for that.
Oh, yellow, oh, P4 spun.
P4?
Yeah.
Good.
Let me check that, they might have damage.
Damage or no?
No, it doesn't, okay. No, they don't. Oh my gosh, what are they doing? Well, nice move anyway.
How did I
What
make
was
that
that? The car behind just pitted, so they've either crashed or... Yeah.
Surely.
Okay, so he went wide on the pit exit. Oh my gosh. Oh no, he missed the pit exit, like he went deep because it was raining. He did a 360 back onto the track, drove in front of a GT3. And then went back into the pits.
I think we're gonna have this guy anyway, so let's just hold out for wets.
Okay. Shall we just do whatever this guy does?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could probably get past in this lap.
Yeah.
I need to go so far off to not hit him there.
Yeah, I
He's
was
so
gonna
slow.
say, I thought we were gonna like plow straight into the back of him. Nice.
And he
Okay, great move.
okay, box this
Okay,
lap.
that boxes out, yeah. No tyres and just fuel. It's really sketchy in pit exit entry.
Oh no.
Just cut. Do you have enough fuel?
Boxing this lap.
Do you have enough fuel?
Yeah.
Okay,
1.2
okay.
laps.
Yeah, just go really, really slowly in the pit exit. Okay, Andrew. Okay, we're really, really slowly.
Here we go. Now the rain's coming, I think, maybe. I see rain on my windshield.
Really much. I think it's
But
just
it was
because the track's
coming
wet.
somehow.
Oh, okay. We're like, the rain is only a few minutes away from the track, but I don't think it's gonna get wet enough to box again.
Yeah.
It looks like P1's just pitted again. But I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, it's raining.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's
That's a pretty
it's-
heavy rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be enough by the end. Just have to drive slowly.
Should be 2 more laps, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not 10 seconds a lap difference.
Yeah.
I'll just chill behind this guy.
Yeah. You got a big gap behind. The guys on wets are catching up, but still nowhere near fast enough. That's okay, that's okay.
Yeah, I
Keep on
had a
going.
massive understeer there. I couldn't do anything.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Just can't go off the track twice in the last few corners and we'll be okay.
It worked out.
Yeah,
Let's go.
nice, let's go. This is the first endurance race I've done with Valka where we haven't gotten killed by GT3.